Have you been running your own Google Workspace domain successfully for years but never taken the time to review the security settings? Or have the recent headlines made you worry about your own cybersecurity posture? Our security kit can help. Let our team meet with your domain administrator virtually for an express check of your security. This virtual meeting will allow us to look collaboratively with your administrator and discuss the security settings. During the administrative account review, we will look at how the accounts are configured, what roles are assigned, and what access levels the users have. Our security settings review will take a look at your domain's password management policies, two-step verification policies, and verify setup of account recovery. Google Workspace for Education allows organizations to use core service applications and third-party applications. Our app security audit will help you understand your app's security settings so that you can prevent data loss and help protect your stakeholders. To learn more about our security kit, as well as everything else Kincaid IT can do for your organization, check out our website, kincaidit.com.